this piece of glass the other day that was on the way to the dump, and I thought that was kind of a shame. It's a nice piece of tempered glass. So what I'm going to do with it, I'm going to build a garden box and put this on top, kind of make it like a little hothouse. Now the first thing I'm going to do is build a frame for the glass. And I got 74 by 28. I'll cut the end pieces first. Okay, this is a 1x6 piece of hemlock, and it's rough, so it's a true 1x6. And I need a 28-inch piece. Okay, I got my table saw set up to cut down the center, which will give me two 3-inch pieces. Okay, I got the dado blade on my radial arm saw set up for 1/4 inch. The glass is 3/16 thick, so I'm just giving it a 1/16 extra just to give me some wiggle room. Now I have the blade set to go in at 3/4 inch. There. Now I still have some dadoing to do on this. I have to dado out here for the side pieces. Anyways, I need a measurement for the length of my side pieces. And it's 78 1/4. So I think I'm going to go 78 3/8. Give me a little bit to play with. 78. I changed my mind. Instead of 7 3/8, I'm going to go 78 1/2. Just give me a little bit more to play with. Okay, I'm going to split this down the middle like I did with the end pieces. Okay, I'm going to dado the side pieces the same as I did with the end pieces. Yeah, fits perfect. There, side pieces fit well. Now I just got a dado out here so this end will fit in that groove. Okay, I got my dado blade set up for 3/4 inch and 3/8 inch depth. There, I got my frame together here. Now I'm going to put a coat of paint on this, and then after that I'll glue these pieces together. Okay, I got my framework painted. Now I just want to put a bead of caulking, and this is a caulking and sealer in one. And it's a pretty good adhesive also. And I just put a bead in there. Now I have it marked here, 3 inches in. Now I have my mark here, which is the width of this, and I want this in about 3/4 inch on my glass, so that'll bring it fairly close to where it should be. Pushes in hard. Yeah. Now these end pieces, they can be a little tricky to put on, so take your time. I hope I have enough. Down near the end. Oh, just made it. Okay, now I take this construction adhesive and just put it on this end here. There. Now, spit on my finger, just kind of flatten that out on there, put some on the end. Slide that end in there, lining this here up too. Slide that in nice and easy. Nice and easy. Now let's slide this piece here in there. Bring it in Okay, I got everything lined up here. Now I take my pole clamp. Bring it in nice and easy. Okay, everything's lined up and then clamped in. I'm just going around with a putty knife and just clean off any excess glue. Okay, now while I wait for this here to set up, I'll start building my garden box.